Now let us discuss 51 question. Under isothermal condition, a gas at 300 Kelvin expands from 0.1 liter to 0.25 liter against a constant external pressure of 2 bar. The work done by the gas is. Okay. Now let us write the given data. Here they given isothermal condition. That means at constant temperature. Here they given that gas expands from 0.1 liter to 0.2 liter. That means volume expands from 0.1 liter to 0.25 liter. Okay, they given external pressure. P external is equal to 2 bar. They ask that work done by the gas. W equal to question mark. We know that work done equal to minus of P external into change in volume. This can be written as P external into V2 minus V1. Now substitute the above values in the given formula. That is P external is equal to 2 bar minus 2 bar into V2. That means 0.25 minus, that is V2, 0.25 minus 0.1 liter bar. It will give rise to minus 2 into 0.15 liter bar. Now multiply 2 into 0.15. It will give rise to minus of 0.30 liter bar. Here they given that 1 liter bar equal to 100 joules. Now substitute the 100 joules, you will get 0.30 into, in place of liter bar, you substitute 100 joules. 100 joules. Multiply 0.30 into 100, you will get minus of 30 joule. The work done by the gas is minus 30 joules. So our answer is A is our correct answer.